Curious what 1.5 million gets you in Burnaby? And can you even find a family home for that price? Well, you're in luck. I'm gonna take you on a tour of some properties, townhomes and duplexes that I was showing clients that have a growing family. And at the end, I'm gonna share why this price point of 1.5 million is really gonna heat up in the greater Vancouver real estate market in the next handful of months. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about real estate in Vancouver, subscribe below. Tap the bell for notifications to be the first to hear what's going on in the current market. My name is Megan Becker, local realtor. Myself and my team calls every day from people looking to make this incredible city their home. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, text, or email, and I'm excited to help you make moves in the best city in Canada. Okay, quick little backstory on these clients. They've got 2 kids and they want to get out of their condo and they want a little bit more space, and they like the area of Burnaby just for some personal reasons, for commuting and just access to what their lifestyle entails. So we're going to take a look at Burnaby. So let's jump over on the map. Okay, we are in Burnaby, and you'll notice the most of these properties are centered around southern Burnaby here, just strictly due to the price point. So we're going to start in the west and we're going to work our way out to the east. So we're actually going to look at 2 properties here on Brandon Street. So this is just off of Kingsway here, right on the edge of Boundary Road, which is the boundary between Vancouver and Burnaby. So this is an area called Garden Village. Both of these properties are half duplex. So a half duplex is essentially that. It's half of the whole entire duplex there. You might be like, why are you explaining that, Megan? It really depends on the terminology. Some people call a duplex and it's both of the sides. A half a duplex is half. It's one of the sides. And I know it sounds really redundant me saying this, but when it comes to actually looking at properties, I want to make sure that you guys understand exactly what we're referring to. So we're going to look at 3737 Brandon Street and 3739 Brandon Street. So these are opposite halves, and they're each being sold for $1,498,000. So it was built in 1955, 3 beds, 2 bath, and then it's 1,500 square feet on 2 levels. Let's take a look at this one. So definitely dated. You're gonna need to put in a little bit of work. But like I always say, when you're looking at dated properties like this and you're like, ooh, I don't like that, look at it from the floor plan, because we can change counters, we can change appliances, we can change colors, we can change flooring. But let's take a look at would it work lifestyle wise? Like, does the area work? Does the floor plan work? Because it could be a really great opportunity to add some value. And that's one of the things that I do with clients is when we're looking at a property like this potentially, and they want to add some value, do some renos, is we can do an after repair value of, okay, you put this some X amount of work into it. What would the after repair value, and does that make sense? Not saying that you're necessarily going to flip it right away, but if you were, what would that look like? And it can kind of be a guideline of how much, or does it make sense to purchase this property and put some money into it? So definitely needs a little bit of love here, but great area, nice outdoor space, once you clean it up for sure. And then there's the floor plan there. And this is 3739, so it's essentially same unit, other side, very similar finishes, a little more cluttered. But you guys get the idea here of where the opportunity lies. All right, we're gonna head down Kingsway to 6568 and Nelson Ave. So again, really great area. This is Metro Town here. You have all of Central Park there, tons of activities. You've got all the amenities, one of the largest malls in Metro Town here, the SkyTrain stations, everything that you can imagine right at your fingertips here. So this is a townhouse built in 2015, currently on the market for $1,535,000, 3 bed, 3 bath, and then we're 1,484 square feet on 2 levels. So newer property here, right in Metro Town. Nice bit of outdoor space here. Neutral finishes. Den you could use an office or storage. Primary. Nice big windows, which is really nice in this. And then you've got the green space. There's your floor plans. I always recommend look at the floor plans, understand layout. Lots of them will have the dimensions of the bedrooms. You can actually see kind of what size is this actually. Common area. Got all the amenities here, which is nice. Tons of amenities. Lots of these properties, like you've got a bowling alley here. Pool, gym, sauna, all that fun stuff. Party room. So yeah, right in the heart of Metro Town here. All right, we're gonna continue a little bit southeast to 6085 Irmin Street. So brand new build here, just completed in 2024. It's currently on the market for $1,499,000. 4-bed, 3-bath, and we're 1,805 square feet on 4 levels here. So let's take a look. So nice thing about this one is that yes, you got a new property never been lived in, but you've also got the peace of mind of the 2-5-10-year warranty that comes with any new property. So yeah, new finishes, cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling, which I really like. I'm short, so anything above like, I don't know, 6 feet, it gets dusty and I just kind of leave it. Entry or access to the outdoor space there. It's kind of that long and narrow traditional townhome layout. So some people don't love it because this one does look a little narrow. Some of them are a little bit tough, but again, we're sacrificing really great location, new property, so you're gonna get a little bit more narrow, or maybe not the best or ideal layout, depending who you are, how you want to use the property here. This is a nice little balcony off of the primary here. Nice large ensuite. Looks like there's construction out the window there. It's always something to be mindful of there's pretty much construction everywhere in the greater Vancouver area, but you want to know kind of the stage that it's at, where it is in location to the property that you're looking at. Nice rooftop. This would be common space, parking. Okay, we're going to head a little bit southeast to 6878 Southpoint Drive. So another really great area here, close to the SkyTrain, easy access onto the main roads here, depending where you want to get into whole lower mainland. So this is a townhouse built in 2006, currently on the market for $1,478,000. 3-bed, 3-bath, and we're 1,675 square feet on 3 levels. So let's take a look at this one. Not a really great first picture here, but nice entryway. Definitely a little dated, but we can work with it here. So kind of a secluded dining area there, it looks like. One of the things that I love, little side note here, is a window over the kitchen sink. There's just something about, you're always at your kitchen sink doing stuff. And so I love a picturesque window right over the kitchen sink. Decent sized bedrooms, lots of space here. There's the downstairs, and you've got some nice outdoor space here. So you're kind of in that townhome complex there. Back to the map. And we're gonna go directly north to 6929 Balmoral Street. So this is a townhouse number 8, built this year, 2024. It's currently on the market for $1,489,000. 3-bed, 3-bath, and then we're 1,536 square feet on 4 levels here. So let's take a look at this one. So again, kind of that long and narrow layout here. Balcony, decent views, a little bit of outdoor space. So one of the things to be aware of with these long and narrow units is just the amount of windows and natural light. I know some clients don't love these types of layouts because they can get kind of dark, and depending which way it's facing or how large the windows are, it can really impact the amount of light that's let in your unit. The nice thing about the townhomes is you have that direct access to outside. So it's a little bit, in my opinion, it's a little bit better than the long and narrow condo units, which you might have just a balcony at the end, but at least with the townhomes, you can actually go outside and, take the dog for a walk, or, go hang out outside yourself. Okay, head back to the map here. So again, another really great area, easy access onto the main roads here. We're gonna go a little further north to 6847 Noelani Place. So this is a half duplex built in at 1979, currently on the market for $1,499,000. 5-bed, 3-bath, and then we're 2,531 square feet on 2 levels here. So this one is tenanted, and there's not a lot of pictures, and it needs a little bit of work. Needs a little bit of love. Not a ton. It's not a complete tear down type of property, but definitely needs a little bit of updating here. So that's that one. If you're enjoying this tour, I would so appreciate if you hit that like button and please subscribe. It tells YouTube that you're valuing the content and encourages me to keep making more. All right, let's get back into the tour. So this is the last property that we're gonna look at here. 7575 10th Ave. So this is another half duplex built in 1970. Currently on the market for $1,499,999. We're 5-bed, 2-bath, and we're 2,104 square feet on 2 levels. So you've got lots of parking here. You've got the garage, parking pads, nice yard. So big plus about this one is you've got a huge yard here. Close to parks, trails, nice outdoor patio, back deck here, and then you back right onto a park. So really great area. So in this one, you're paying for the area, the lot. Property's a little bit older. Definitely could use a little bit of a reno, a little bit of love here. But I like some of these like older floors. can be redone. Probably update the bathroom a little bit here. Do the flooring, do the kitchen. But again, it's not, depending on what someone's budget is, this is very livable. And, you know, I tell clients, you don't have to have something brand new. And that's the thing is when we talk initially about what you're looking for is that, okay, maybe that's on the dream list, maybe that's on the 5-year list, and figuring out what is the most important thing. And if getting in a property with a yard and the right location and the size is most important, and that's at the top of the budget, then put the renos on a dream list. I've had multiple clients do that. So good size here. That's the real nice thing about this one is the size. Lots of opportunity here. Those are large pieces of furniture. So there's another suite here, which is nice. You could use in-law suite, rental suite, have another opportunity there, depending on how you wanted to use the property. So I know some people don't want the suite because they want that living space. So it really comes down to understanding exactly what you want. But I wanted to show these options to the clients because it is an option to bring in extra money. So before I wrap up here, I wanted to share why this price point of 1.5 million is really going to heat up in the next handful of months here. So there was big news announced for Vancouver homeowners to increase and help with the affordability here. So the Minister of Finance just announced changes to Canada's mortgage rules aimed at improving housing affordability. So number one is the higher insured mortgage cap. So it's now gone from 1 million to 1.5 million. Now buyers can access more properties with a 5% down payment, making it that much easier to get into the Vancouver real estate market, especially if you're looking for a family home here. And the second thing is they extended the loan period. So first-time buyers and purchasers of new homes will now have the option to opt in for a 30-year loan period, reducing monthly payments and just increasing flexibility. So I'm curious, put it in the comments. Do you think these things will help improve housing affordability? Does it make a difference to you when you're looking at purchasing? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, I hope that you got value from this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and please subscribe. Again, my name is Megan Becker, local realtor here. I love helping people make moves in this incredible city, so please reach out. All my info is in the description box below. And until next time, it is getting kind of late and I'm coaching 5 a.m. CrossFit tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna head to bed soon.